So in this question it is given that Anup hits a ball along the ground with a speed u in a direction which makes an angle 30 degrees with the line joining him and the fielder Bubble. Bubble runs to intercept the ball with a speed of 2u by 3 at an angle theta. At what angle theta should he run to intercept the ball? So person A is hitting the ball and person B is trying to catch it. Let us take this as y-axis and the line joining person A and B as x-axis. At t is equal to 0, ball is starting from here and person B is starting from here. Let us assume after some time they met at this point. Let us name this point as some C. And I will take this distance as y. Let us assume they are going to meet at some time t. Now if you see the y direction motion, the displacement in y direction of the ball as well as the displacement of the person B in y direction is same, which is y. And the time of travel for both the bodies also same, which is t. Now if we consider only the y direction, we see about the ball. Displacement in y direction will be uy into t plus half ay into t square. As there is no acceleration for both the bodies, this term will be equal to 0. And displacement of the body is y. Velocity in y direction, which will be u sine 30 into t. So here we can write y is equals to ut upon 2. Let us take this as first equation. Now consider the fielder Bubble. Again same thing, acceleration will be 0. So I am directly writing sy is equals to uy into t. Displacement in y direction is y. Y component of the velocity will be 2u by 3 into sine theta into t. Let us take this as second equation. Now here left hand sides is same in both the equations. So equate the right hand sides. So we can write ut upon 2 will be is equals to 2u upon 3 sine theta into t. Ut will get cancelled out. So here sine theta will be is equals to 3 upon 4, or we can say theta is equals to sine inverse of 3 upon 4, which will be option C.